What you need is newspaper, masking tape, Sharpie, pair of scissors, and a glass. You want to keep the folded end intact. We're going to use that as a stabilizer. So this should always be the top of your pot. It will keep your pots nice and stable. Cut about 1/3 to 1/2 off, depending on how deep you want your pots. If you have very long roots, you may want longer pots. Just fold that around. Get your masking tape. Masking tape is biodegradable. It's paper with adhesive. Okay. And judge how deep you want your pot by sliding it up or down. Once you have the right length, fold it like a little package. Flatten at the bottom. Take another piece of masking tape. Put that on. It's also good, while it's still on the glass, to write what it is. Slide the glass out. And now you're ready to pop.